In this video, I'll guide you through how to create Cloudflare pages from your existing site files using the simple upload method. This is perfect if you already have a static website ready to go on your computer and you just want a fast, reliable way to host it without dealing with complex setups or build tools. To start, make sure you're signed into your Cloudflare dashboard in your web browser. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the section labeled Workers and Pages. This is where Cloudflare lets you run serverless functions and host static sites. Go ahead and click on Workers and Pages. On the Workers and Pages page, you'll see options to create new projects or applications. What you want to do here is create a new application for your website. Click on the button that says Create Application. This will open a screen where you can choose what type of application you're setting up. Today, I'll show you how to use Cloudflare Pages with the upload method. So when you're asked what you'd like to create, choose Pages. Cloudflare Pages is designed specifically for static sites like portfolios, documentation, simple landing pages, or any site that can be served from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other static assets. After selecting Pages, you'll be given different ways to get your code into Cloudflare. In this case, select the option to upload assets. This tells Cloudflare that you're going to provide the site files directly from your computer instead of connecting a Git repository. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a project name. This project name will help you identify your site in the Cloudflare dashboard, and it often becomes part of the default URL Cloudflare gives you. Choose something simple, clear, and easy to remember. For example, if it's a personal site, you might use something like personal site or portfolio site. Type in the project name and make sure it doesn't include any spaces or special characters that aren't allowed. Now it's time to upload your website files. Before you do this, double check that your project folder contains an index.html file at the root level. That index file will act as the entry point or the home page of your site. If Cloudflare Pages can't find an index.html file, your site may not load properly, so it's important that it's there and named exactly index.html in lowercase. You'll see an upload area on the screen, usually a large box prompting you to drag and drop files. Here you have two options. You can drag and drop the entire folder that contains your index.html and all of your assets, or you can compress that folder into a .zip file and drag the .zip file into the upload area instead. Using a .zip file can be helpful if your project has a lot of nested folders or many small files, as it can make the upload a bit more reliable. Once you drop your folder or .zip file into the upload box, Cloudflare will process the files and prepare them for deployment. Take a moment to confirm that the correct folder or archive has been selected and that the contents look right. When everything is ready, click the option to deploy. Cloudflare will now publish your site, set up the project, and give you a preview URL you can visit in your browser. After a short moment, your static site will be live on Cloudflare Pages, ready to share and use.